Hi everyone, here is how to fix no comments yet in Instagram. If your Instagram post is showing no comments yet, even though you know people have commented, don't worry. This can be fixed. Let's dive into a few quick steps to resolve it. First, try refreshing your feed. Pull down on the screen until you see the loading icon. Sometimes, Instagram just needs a quick refresh to load the comments properly. Next, make sure your internet connection is stable. If you're on Wi-Fi, try switching to mobile data or vice versa. A poor connection can prevent comments from loading. The next step is to clear the app cache. For Android users, go to Settings, Apps, Instagram, Storage, and then tap Clear Cache. For iPhone users, uninstall the Instagram app and then reinstall it from the App Store. Also, check your comment settings. Go to your profile, Settings, Comments, and make sure you haven't restricted anyone from commenting on your posts. Also, check if you've accidentally enabled manual approval for comments. Finally, make sure Instagram is up to date. Head over to the App Store or Google Play Store, search for Instagram, and tap Update if a newer version is available. Outdated apps can sometimes glitch and prevent comments from loading. And that's it. By following these steps, your comments should start appearing again on your posts. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.